What is adaptability? Adaptability is a soft skill that means being able to rapidly learn new skills and behavior in response to changing circumstances. As a skill, it refers to the ability of a person to change his actions, course, or approach of doing things to revamp oneself. It is just not about changing something or adapting to a situation, it also means being able to embrace change with ease and timeliness without failure. Everyone has to face different types of situations, of which some are controllable and some are uncontrollable. So, if a person knows that how to mold oneself according to the situation, then one will definitely succeed in life and can easily achieve one's purpose.
Hi, my name is Tamanpreet Kaur. Here I am going to talk about importance of adaptability. Adaptability is essential in order to survive and move ahead in the world. Without the adaptability, people may find themselves stuck in a situation far longer is necessary and unable to reach their goals. Role of adaptability in life. Adaptable people not scared of changes. Adaptability gives you new ideas, strike something unique in your imagination, and give you the willingness to go against the conventions. And if we talk about adaptability in business, it is considered as a key to success because when you increase your aptitude for your adaptability, you will develop a strong skill which you will need it in business. For example, an entrepreneur cannot be successful without vision.
Hello, I'm Ansh Gupta from Electrical Engineering. I'm going to discuss about observe and monitor changes in your environment. You will not see the need for change until you notice changes in your environment. Adaptability must not be easy only but timely as well. Always make a conscious effort to monitor trends, values, attitudes, etc. Compare present observation with past ones and find out what has changed. For instance, low customer retention rate despite an increased sales figure is an indication that there are disgruntled old customers who need to be attended to. Let put some more light on observation. Listening is an observation skill that we are taught early is very important in the workplace. However, most of us also have two eyes to see, two hands to feel, a nose to smell, and a mouth to taste. We use all five senses to observe the world around us. Our observation skills inform us about objects, events, attitudes, and phenomena using one or more senses. Additionally, being able to observe and gather information about the world is important because it's the basis of communicating well. In the workplace, a good employee not only listens well, but is also aware of what is happening around them. Thank you.
I am Aryan from Electrical Engineering. A huge part of being adaptable is about openness and ability to learn new information. No matter how exceptional you are at your work right now, there's always the possibility that the way things are done can be changed. Being able to learn and incorporate these skills make work more valuable. People with adaptability skills are never discouraged by failure. For them, failure is just part of learning. Skills to strengthen your adaptability include attention to detail and critical thinking. Nobody knows everything. We all know, especially in this ever-changing world. In order to improve your adaptability skills, you must be always open to learn. Just by doing something more than your job, and eagerness to learn will make you more stronger and more adaptable employee.
Hello everyone, I'm Avneet and today I'm going to tell you how to avoid procrastination. Avoiding procrastination is another way to improve adaptability. Procrastination means putting difficult tasks off until later and doing something more enjoyable and then eventually reaching deadlines with nothing accomplished. So procrastination is a sin. So this habit of procrastination can be broken with the change of habits and development of self-discipline. Create a more structured schedule. Set yourself some inspirational yet attainable goals. Think of a way to reward yourself for getting it done right now. Also, remind yourself of the consequences of not doing it. Adopt an optimistic approach. Practice creative procrastination. Procrastinate on the things which are of less value or of no value and learn to say no to every work which is not relevant to your current work. Quit multitasking and focus on just one thing at a time. Be your own leader and push yourself ahead. You can set imaginary deadlines to complete any work. Don't let your phone control you. Switch off every distraction including emails, social media, sites, use your cell phone so you can give all your attention and just focus on your work. If you try to use technology wisely, then there is no sincere servant like it. Use digital devices wisely. Once you study in a 3-hour slot with a 10 minutes break, once you're relaxed, you will be much better prepared to get the work done. Make the task more enjoyable. So start procrastinating the habit of procrastination.
People, this is Vinay. Our next topic is to be open to failures. The main problem arises from our society, which thinks the failure is not a good thing to accept it. So everyone does not like a failure. Failure is inevitable. Everyone should be failed. Although someone refuses to admit it, don't let them fool you. Failure makes you stronger. When you fail often, you realize that the present path is not the right one. And that's okay. You can seek the new paths and discover the right for you. Failure makes the success much sweeter. You will feel the great sense of satisfaction knowing that everything you went through was worth it. That's it will be. Thank you. Peace.
I'm Bhavika from Electrical Department. Next thing which is very important for being adaptable is accepting others' perspectives. It is neglected secret for conflict resolvement, and it largely depends on person's ability to adapt and his understanding on how other person interpret the same issue, as same message can mean two entirely different things from two different perspectives. Like a message can be taken as a friendly teasing or as an insult. Misunderstanding often occur when a person is not adaptable, as he assumes that everyone sees things from same perspective as he do. So, being adaptable and considering others' point of view reduces misunderstanding and distortion, and it is essential for realistic assessment of common and opposed interest. Engaging in perceptive taking tends to improve the communication skill and our relationship with other person. You are more liked and respected when other person realizes that you are considering their point of view and accurately using it to create potential agreement that benefit both sides equally. Lastly, it improves our leadership skills and create healthy environment when we work as a team.
Hi, I am Bhavya Mittal. In this section, I will cover examples of adaptability in different fields and time. The ability to change to fit changed circumstances is adaptability. As the landscape changes, so does the mindset of the consumer. If companies want to stay afloat, they must pay attention to what their customers want and adapt accordingly. It's either that or get lost in the shuffle. For example, the COVID pandemic enhanced consumers' voracious appetite for streaming, and Disney adapted, and it's not the only company to do so. On September 15, 2020, Walmart followed a digital expansion by launching Walmart Plus, a new membership program that competes with Amazon Prime at just $90 per year. Burger King also adapted to current customer behavior by unveiling 2 restaurant designs that will offer a completely touchless experience. Similarly, animals also adapt physically and behaviorally depending on their environment, which help them stay alive either by protecting them or catch prey easily. It's easy to think that camels are made for the sand, but in reality, they have successfully adapted to their harsh desert environment over millions of years. In a similar manner, an individual needs to be adaptable to changing workplace conditions. Employers usually look for adapting when hiring because of its importance for growth within a role.